Comment and like this video for more signals. Turning our attention to the currency pairs and cryptocurrencies we favor, we examine their potential movements for the coming week.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Would you be interested in trading by an AI-empowered bot? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Porsche Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.